A tour operator typically combines tour and travel components to create a package holiday. This means that the tour operators are responsible for arranging the transport, accommodation, and leisure activities that make up a typical package holiday. There are some major categories of tour operators: mass market tour operators, inbound tour operators, outbound tour operators, domestic tour operators, specialist tour operators. Let us talk first about mass market tour operators. Mass market tour operators operate within the mainstream of the travel and tourism industry. This means that they tend to offer the traditional sun, sea and sand package and cater to very large numbers of tourists in popular destinations such as the traditional Spanish costas, and appeal predominantly to the European market. Mass market tour operators tend to be the most recognizable names in the industry, such as TUI Travel PLC, the world's leading leisure travel company operating in over 180 countries with more than 30 million customers using 200 different brand names. It owns TUI, the market-leading tour operator brand in Germany, and Thomson, the leading UK tour operator, as well as laterooms.com, the hotel industry's leading online late availability database. Next, we will talk about inbound tour operators. Inbound tourism is the name given to the type of tourism which brings visitors into specific tourism receiving areas. Therefore, an inbound tour operator is the type of organization which produces packages aimed specifically at bringing overseas visitors into a destination. Look at the example of Morrison, an inbound tour operator for Mauritius. In the same way that inbound tourism describes tourist activity with an outbound tour operator is one based in the tourist's home country offering holiday packages to destinations overseas. Club Med is just one example of an outbound tour operator with branches across the world. Next, we come to domestic tour operators. A domestic tour operator specializes in putting together packages for the home market. This means that they appeal to people living in that country. Examples of domestic tour operators include Kerala Travels Interserve in India, KC Tours in Australia, and the London Travel Service in the UK, among others. The last type of tour operators we will discuss are the specialist tour operators. Specialist operators specialize by destination, by activity, by theme, by transport, or by age group. An example of each of these is as follows. By destination. Example, Austravel, which specializes in holidays to Australasia. By activity. Example, Ski Solutions, which specializes in skiing holidays. By theme. Example, Responsible Travel, which specializes in sustainable tourism packages. By transport. Example, CoachTrips.com, which specializes in holidays by coach. By age. Example, Evergreen Excursions, which specializes in tours for seniors in South Africa. 20s, which specialize in clubbing holidays for young people in their 20s.